To write the HTML code, we need a code editor, and there are many code editors, but we are going to use the Visual Studio Code. In previous video, I had used the Notepad to demonstration the some part of the HTML code. So we have here the Sublime Text and also the Notepad, and another one is the Visual Studio Code. And we are going to use the Visual Studio Code in this video and whole HTML video series. And there is another Visual Studio only, and Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio is two different things. Visual Studio Code is light code editor and Visual Studio is the IDE. So we are not going to discuss more about these things. Let's go into your favorite browser and just type the Visual Studio Code. After typing the Visual Studio Code, you can see the first link as Visual Studio official sites. Then just click on this first link. And after clicking here, you can directly see the default download as for Windows. And you can also scroll down here and you can download for according to your operating system. So I'm just gonna click here the default Windows operating system. So it will automatically start download, and it will take some time to download this setup file. It will take some time. After completion of the download, I'll join with you. Now our setup file is downloaded completely. So just click here, just double click here and just accept the license agreement and click on the next option. You can change your path. I'm gonna leave the default, and after clicking here, again click on the next option, and after clicking on the next option, you can see here there are the checked button. So you can check all this button here, and after checking all this button, just click on the finish button and then click on the install button. And after clicking on the install button, it will take some time to install the Visual Studio Code. And after completion of the installation, now click on the finish button, and after clicking on the finish button, now you can see Visual Studio Code is successfully installed on our system. So in upcoming videos, we will discuss about the HTML in Visual Studio Code. Thank you.